Hello there. I'm Andy Grafflin. Proud graduate of Milton-Union High School in class of '86. I think this is my 25th year of teaching here at Milton in the Social Studies Department. I graduated my undergrad through Ohio University, and then I got my master's at Wright State. Classes I'll be teaching are U.S. history, government, and the AP government. For U.S. history, we begin by looking at some of the key documents of our country. We'll be looking at the Declaration of Independence, Articles of Confederation, look at the Constitution, the amendments, Northwest Ordinance, etc. Then we jump to the starting point of our course, which is the Industrial Revolution. This class picks up where eighth grade left off. They left off at the Civil War and Reconstruction. We pick up after that, and we take it all the way to present day. For government class, we're going to look at basically what does the government do? Why is it important? How does it work? So we'll look at how the government works at the federal level, responsibilities, etc., state level, all the way down to local, and how the three of them work together and unfortunately sometimes don't work at all. I'll also be teaching AP government. We'll be covering a lot of the same material, but at a faster pace and definitely more in depth. There are some things that are required by AP that I have to cover, certain documents like Federalist Paper 51, Federalist Paper 10, etc. We'll be doing a lot of projects. There's some court cases. We'll be doing some papers, as well as testing-wise will be a lot of multiple choice, but a lot of FRQs, free response questions. These are like essays. So all AP classes have FRQs in them. So we'll learn how to write different styles of different types of FRQs, etc., to get you prepared for that test. If you're American history and government, we'll be following the state standards, and we will be taking a end of course exam in those classes. So we'll get you prepared for that. What you need for this class, you'll need your device. You need to have it charged. You'll need some paper. You'll need a notebook, because we'll take a lot of notes. And then you can use that material to help you for the semester exams, and also to study for the end of course exam for the state. I'll be handing out a textbook, so you'll need to bring that to class. If you have any questions for me, you can email me. That's at grafflin@miltonunionschools.com, grafflina@muschools.com. Thank you. Stop.